Please welcome your host, Obama Fellow, Nedgine Paul Deroly.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the closing session of the Obama Foundation Summit. My name is Nedgine Paul Deroly, and I am a proud daughter of Haiti. I also have the privilege of being a member of the inaugural cohort of Obama Fellows. You've had a chance to hear from some of my fellow fellows here on stage. You've heard from Ashley, you've heard from Melissa, and all of us share a belief that change only comes if we work alongside our communities in the effort. We listen. We don't impose ourselves on our neighbors. We work with them to reach our common hope we all share, that better future we all want to see. In my case, that means ensuring every Haitian has access to what our Constitution enshrined as a human right, a quality education. That declaration was made in 1806, only 2 years after the only successful slave revolt in history, resulting in the independence of the world's first Black republic. We are a people defined by liberation. Sadly, today, only about 20% of Haitian teachers are formally equipped to do their job well, and about a third of our students will get through primary school. 1% will go to college. The Anseye pour Ayiti movement was founded to address that. At Anseye pour Ayiti, we recruit local teachers and recent graduates from rural communities, from their hometowns, to transform classrooms. Our teachers are equipped as incredible civic leaders who are advocating for their students and for larger reforms. Everything we do is rooted in the power of local culture, customs, and community. Since our founding, over 85% of our students have passed on time and on grade level. That is 3 times the rural average. And by 2020, we will ignite 20,000 civic leaders for the 4 million children of Haiti. Scale for us is depth, because our roots matter. So the foundation has brought all of us, whether we come from the Caribbean, the Congo, or Columbia, South Carolina, to this place, to Chicago. This is the place where President Obama began his career in public service. It is where First Lady Michelle Obama was born and raised. It's where together they started their family. And it's where they've chosen to build their foundation and their presidential center. In today's session, you'll hear about this special place, about its history as a crucible for social change in America and its remarkable potential. You'll also hear about the power any place holds, about how deeply our homes shape our expectations and dreams.